Number 1. This 1969 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale, priced at $11,000, is a full-size cruiser powered by its original 455 V8 engine and a rebuilt two-barrel Rochester carburetor. With only 78,000 original miles, it runs great, shifting smoothly through its automatic transmission. Recent upgrades include a new master brake cylinder and fuel sending unit, ensuring reliable performance. The factory air conditioning needs a new compressor, but the car remains in excellent condition with its original paint and a straight body. Weighing 4,007 pounds, this classic glides effortlessly on the road. Located in Ivins, Utah. Number 2. This 1964 Chrysler New Yorker, priced at $12,750, is one of the finest surviving examples of its kind. Powered by a strong 413 V8 engine, it features a smooth 3-speed, push-button automatic transmission. With just 73,000 miles, it remains mechanically reliable and rust-free. The paint, while not flawless, still presents well, and the chrome and stainless trim condition. Inside, the nearly perfect interior has only a minor issue with the power window switch. A true joy to drive and own, this classic stands out. Located in Jefferson City, Tennessee. Number 3. This 1976 Lincoln Continental, priced at $6,000, is a classic luxury cruiser with a strong 460 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Located in Stoutland, Missouri, it features a new Edelbrock carburetor and recent maintenance, including a fuel sending unit, master cylinder, dimmer switch, plugs, wires, and rotor. It runs and drives well, offering a smooth ride with timeless Lincoln comfort. While the windshield has a crack on the passenger side and there is an exhaust leak, the frame remains solid despite some bubbling around the fenders. A great opportunity for a classic luxury enthusiast. Number 4. This 1972 Plymouth Duster, priced at $10,000, is a well-preserved survivor with a slant 6 engine and an automatic transmission. Located in Mooresville, North Carolina, it retains its original paint, which still shines, and even has the dealer sticker on the tail panel. The odometer reads 60,000 miles, believed to be original. Recent upgrades include a new carburetor, radiator, master cylinder, alternator, gas tank, and tires, ensuring it runs strong. Whether you want to enjoy it as is or turn it into a Hemi-powered beast, this Duster is a fantastic opportunity. The price is firm. Number 5. This 1972 Cadillac Eldorado, priced at $9,500, is a well-preserved classic with 75,000 miles. Located in Columbus, Ohio, it has been owned for 30 years and remains a fun and stylish cruiser. Powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission, it delivers a smooth and effortless ride. While it runs well, it will need minor work to be in top condition. Currently in storage until April, this Eldorado is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to own a vintage Cadillac with timeless character and road presence, a great piece of American luxury history. Number 6. This 1983 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, priced at $10,000, is a well-maintained sedan with a rebuilt original 305 V8. Located in Thibodaux, Louisiana, it features a smooth shifting 700R4 automatic transmission for effortless cruising. Recent maintenance includes a regasket, new oil pump, timing set, and a new carburetor, ensuring reliable performance. The air conditioning only needs a recharge to be fully functional. Additional upgrades such as a custom console, backdash, and paneling add a unique touch to the interior. This Caprice is a turnkey classic, ready to hit the road and enjoy. Number 7. This 1976 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $9,500, is a powerful classic with a rebuilt engine and a brand new Holley Sniper fuel injection system. Located in Springville, Utah, it features an automatic transmission for a smooth driving experience. Recent upgrades include a ProCharger, alternator, new tires, brakes, front-end components, fuel tank, and pump. While it requires computer tuning, the car is otherwise ready to go. A fantastic project for enthusiasts seeking a strong performing Nova. With modern enhancements, this build offers both classic styling and upgraded power. A great candidate for customization or weekend cruising. Number 8. This 1977 Chevrolet K10 Custom Deluxe, priced at $10,500, is a rugged square-body 4x4 with classic appeal. Located in Neenah, Wisconsin, it features a 400 V8 engine paired with a freshly rebuilt automatic transmission for smooth performance. With 76,759 original miles, this Colorado truck retains its great patina and vintage character. It runs and drives well, though the valve cover gaskets need attention. Factory air conditioning is present but requires a recharge. A solid option for truck enthusiasts looking for a dependable classic with off-road capability and timeless styling. Number 9. This 1964 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $13,000, is a well-sorted classic with modern upgrades. Located in Moses Lake, Washington, it features a Chevy 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission for effortless cruising. Disc brakes on all four wheels enhance stopping power, while a custom Ford 9-inch rear end adds durability. It rides on brand new American racing wheels wrapped in fresh tires. The bedliner is newly installed, and while the restoration was completed a few years ago, it remains a reliable daily driver. A solid choice for enthusiasts seeking a stylish and functional classic. Number 10. This 1979 Datsun 620, priced at $50,500, is a rust-free survivor that has been stored in a shed for 20 years. Located in Batesville, Mississippi, this classic mini truck runs, drives, and stops as it should. It features a manual transmission, adding to the vintage driving experience. A new carburetor is included, making it an excellent candidate for a full restoration or a unique project truck. Whether you want to preserve its originality or customize it, this Datsun 620 offers a solid foundation for a classic pickup enthusiast, a rare find in such well-preserved condition. Number 11. This 1979 Chevrolet 2500 Crew Cab Short Bed, priced at $5,500, is a solid project truck with plenty of potential. Located in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, it is powered by a 350 small block V8 that has been bored and stroked for extra performance. The automatic transmission ensures smooth operation, and while the truck runs well, rust is present on the cab and bed. The air conditioning and window motors are currently non-functional, and the interior shows some cosmetic wear but remains in decent shape. A great option for restoration or customization, ready for its next owner. Number 12. This 1973 Dodge D100 Camper Special, priced at $5,500, is a dependable vintage workhorse with a 318 V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Located in Clermont, Florida, it has received several recent upgrades, including a new carburetor, fresh rotors and pads, recently replaced drums, a new gas tank, a fuel pump, and a new master cylinder. The truck runs well and has no significant damage, making it a great choice for a classic pickup enthusiast. With a clean title and solid mechanical condition, this Dodge is ready for work, restoration, or weekend cruising with its timeless appeal and rugged reliability. Number 13. This 1981 Buick Regal, priced at $2,800, is a classic coupe with a super straight body and a clean title. Located in Waverly, Tennessee, it has been sitting for some time and currently does not run, making it an excellent project or restoration candidate. It features an automatic transmission, which was known for its smooth shifting and reliability. While the current condition of the transmission is unknown, it could be a great base for a rebuild or swap. Whether you restore it to factory specs or customize it, this Regal offers plenty of potential at an affordable price. A true classic worth reviving.